Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and access. Park level, ignition off, doors open. You don't need to disconnect the battery yet. Put on gloves, then use a flat plastic pry tool to catch the lens edge. Apply steady pressure toward the headliner to avoid creasing. Once the lens pops free, set it aside with clips aligned. This preserves orientation and makes reassembly faster. Make sure you have the correct bulb code on hand so you can proceed without guessing. Now remove the old bulb. First identify the type so you know the removal motion. For a festoon, gently pry one end to release. For a wedge, pull straight. For a bayonet, push and twist. You should use a cloth or gloves to avoid oils on the glass, those short in life. Once the bulb is out, install the new one and test it while the lens is off. If an LED doesn't light, flip its orientation. Polarity matters in many Civic fixtures. To finish, align the lens to the original position and press evenly until each clip snaps. Don't force one corner or you'll crack the plastic. Once done, cycle the dome switch and a door trigger to confirm full operation. If you see flicker or failure, make sure the socket is clean and the contacts aren't bent. Check continuity with a multimeter at 12V. If problems persist, swap a known good bulb or inspect the fuse and dome switch for faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.